In this video, let's run Pocket Option Auto Trader with our updated strategies, because yes, I did just release a new version where every single strategy is updated. So I will now choose some good strategies on 5 seconds and let's see which type of win rate we can get now. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And also, if you like these type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on, so you never lose a video, just like this one. So now let's choose a strategy. I think we can try bullet train. A very long time since I used them. That was a strategy I used it a lot many years ago when I started my YouTube channel. That's actually 7 years ago. So let's try that one. Let's take a decent bid. Let's put a 700. I'm pushing my keyboard here now, but of course I need to use the tablet I have in front of me here. There, we are choosing that one. We use opposite direction. Let's put a target to 2500, and let's see how that turns out. So now we just push start and we see how it goes. So now we start up the bot. He will now start to collect all the information he needs from the chart and all the information he needs from all the indicators that are using in this strategy. All the rules that are around the indicators and all this good stuff. So when he have collected all that, then he will start to look for a trade. Also, if you have any questions, just leave them below the video. This is both at X and at YouTube. I reply to every single question I get. Also, make sure you like this video both on X and YouTube. You help me tremendously just by doing so. Because sometimes the algorithm needs some type of information, how long time people have seen the videos, if they like it or not. This is things that makes it more fun for me to do this type of videos when I see more people are seeing them. Because in the good old days, I used to get like thousands of views on my videos. These days is typically around little below 100, sometimes I see 100. And it would be more cool to start to see some more activity on my channel also. We have started quite decent, by the way. You can see we have 3 trades. We have no, it's 4 trades, 3 winners and 1 loss. And there we reached our target. 4 wins, 1 loss, 2,520 and 80% win rate. Look how beautiful this looks like. So once again, if you want to use this binary option robot or you used it in the past, take a look now. We have upgraded every single strategy and it's super good win rate we are seeing now. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.